Have you ever been in a situation where you needed to track data, but you didn't have the time or resources to build a custom database? If so, then Quickbase is the perfect solution for you. In this video, we're going to take a look at why Quickbase is used by so many businesses and organizations. We'll cover the basics of Quickbase, as well as some of its more advanced features. What is Quickbase? Quickbase is a cloud-based platform that allows you to create custom databases without any programming experience. It's easy to use, yet powerful enough to handle even the most complex data needs. Why use Quickbase? There are many reasons why Quickbase is a great choice for businesses and organizations. Here are a few of the most important benefits. No programming required. Quickbase is designed to be easy to use, even for people with no technical experience. This means that you can get up and running quickly and start using Quickbase to track your data right away. Flexible and customizable. Quickbase is highly flexible and customizable. You can create any type of database you need, and you can customize the look and feel of your application to match your brand. Scalable. Quickbase is scalable, so it can grow with your business. You can add users, tables, and fields as your needs change. Secure. Quickbase is secure, so you can rest assured that your data is safe. Quickbase uses a variety of security measures to protect your data from unauthorized access. Affordable. Quickbase is affordable, especially when compared to other database solutions. How to use Quickbase. Now that we know why Quickbase is used, let's take a look at how to use it. Creating a new database. To create a new database in Quickbase, simply click on the Create New Database button. You'll then be asked to provide a name for your database and select a template. Adding tables and fields. Once you've created a new database, you can start adding tables and fields. Tables are used to store data, and fields are used to define the columns in your tables. Building forms. Once you've created your tables and fields, you can build forms to collect data from users. Forms can be used to capture data from new users, update existing records, or search for data. Running reports. Once you've collected some data, you can use Quickbase to run reports. Reports can be used to analyze your data and generate insights. Advanced features. In addition to the basic features that we've covered so far, Quickbase also offers a number of advanced features, such as workflows. Workflows can be used to automate tasks and processes. Integrations. Quickbase can be integrated with other applications, such as Salesforce, Microsoft Excel, and Google Sheets. Mobile apps. Quickbase offers mobile apps for both iOS and Android devices. Quickbase is a powerful and versatile tool that can be used to track any type of data. It's easy to use, yet powerful enough to handle even the most complex data needs. If you're looking for a way to manage your data more efficiently, then Quickbase is the perfect solution. If you're interested in learning more about Quickbase, I encourage you to visit the Quickbase website or sign up for a free trial. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.